Hello students, welcome to the next session of economics. In this class, we are going to discuss about the deleted topics of economics subject, and you can see on your screens there is a page which is explaining the part A and part B topic which are deleted from the economics book. From part A, introductory macroeconomics book, in unit 2 and unit 5, few topics have been deleted. So in unit 2 there is the chapter money and banking. From this chapter in this year, due to the pandemic COVID, the CBSE deleted the topics such as control of credit through bank rate, CRR, SLR, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Open market operations and margin requirements are also deleted. But here it is important to note down. On the other hand, in the chapters of income determination and the multiplier, when we'll discuss about the what are the tools for controlling the situation of inflation and deflation. Over there, these topics will help us to understand the monetary policy of the government. Ki government use fiscal policy and monetary policy. So under the monetary policy, these are the tools which government use to control the inflation and the deflation. So over there, we will study these topics. So in directly money and banking, these topics have been deleted from the syllabus. In unit 5 of macro, balance of payments, only the topics balance of payment deficit, meaning and determination of exchange rate in the free market. This second part, determination of exchange rate in the free market, is from the chapter foreign exchange rate. So we'll not study these two topics. And in part B of Indian economic development book, the unit 7 current challenges facing Indian economy is not in syllabus. Out of this whole unit, we will not study the growth of education sector in India, alternative farming, that is organic farming, industry, energy. These topics are deleted. So from alternative farming topic, organic farming, and from infrastructure chapter, we will not study about the energy topic. Rest of the chapters are deleted from your syllabus. There is another type of question which I think you will understand which type of questions will be there and which are relevant. So question number 18 you can see on your screens. There's a fill in the blanks are there. Dash policy followed in the first 7-year plan of India aimed at substituting imports with domestic production. So which policy? We are well aware about it. Import substitution. So it is relevance to our CBSE board examination, and question number 19 is saying which of the following is not a benefit of organic farming. So you can see here कि organic farming is not in our syllabus anymore in this session. So this is out of the syllabus, or it is deleted from the syllabus of this year in class 12th. So I hope you would understand and you will plan your preparations accordingly. So students, in the next session there is a extensive sample paper for class 12th, and we'll discuss about this question paper in the next session. Okay, see you in the next class.